Topic: indices. A number is written in indices or an index form when it is raised to power a value. For example, x raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 5, 4 raised to power 6. All these numbers are called index numbers. Laws of indices. Number 1, x raised to power a times x raised to power b equals x raised to power a plus b. Number 2 law, x raised to power a divided by x raised to power b equals x raised to power a minus b. Number 3, x raised to power 0 is equal to 1. And number 4, x raised to power minus 1 equals 1 over x. Question: simplify. 1. 3 raised to power 2s plus 1 plus 27 open bracket 9 raised to power x minus 1 close over 3 raised to power 2s plus 3 raised to power 2x minus 1. Solution: 3 raised to power 2x plus 1 plus 27 raised bracket 9 raised to power x minus 1 all over 3 raised to power 2s plus 3 raised to power 2x minus 1. So 3 raised to power 2x times 3 raised to power 1 plus 27 times 3 raised to power 2x and 3 raised to power minus 2 all over 3 raised to power 2x plus 3 raised to power 2x and 3 raised to power minus 1. We'll simplify and factorize. We have 6 over 4 over 3. That is 18 over 4, which is 9 over 2. Number 2. Simplify, open bracket, 81 over 16 close, raised to power minus 1 over 4 times 3 over 4. Solution. This will obey the inverse law of indices. 1 over 81 over 16 raised to power 1 over 4 times 3 over 4 equals 16 over 81. And the root of 81 in 4 is 3. And the root of 16 in 4 is 2. So we have 1 over 3 over 2 times 3 over 4 equals 2 over 3 times 3 over 4 equals 1 over 2. Number 3, 125 raised to power x times 1 over 5 raised to power 2s plus 1 equals 25. Find x. Solution. 5 raised to power 3x times 5 raised to power minus 1 bracket 2s plus 1 equals 5 raised to power 2. When I clear the bracket up and collect like terms, 3x plus minus 2x minus 1 equals 2. So x minus 1 equal to 2, then s equal to 2 plus 1, 3. So that brings us to the end of the topic, indices.